Okay, peeps, it's Thursday. Totally winging this one. I've got no feature class today. Got no script. I was really thinking I wasn't even going to do it today. So it's getting late. I want to eat dinner. So going with it. Didn't even change into my Thursday outfit. Something happened. I was reading some responses. Gabby Velasquez, when I was reading yours, my allergies started kicking in. So we're doing this. All right. Let's get things started. Today's Thursday, 4/23. We have a birthday to swing in 7th period. Jeremy. So join in with me, all right? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jeremy. Happy birthday to you. All right, guys. So I saw a lot of you guys made your selections for the project. We're going to go with it, right? I don't know how we're going to do this in terms of the presentations. The PowerPoints, if you want to show your PowerPoints and do a voiceover so we can keep it within the time frame. Something, we'll figure it out. Just do what you got. If you're going to make some videos, do that. Just be creative with it. Have some fun. Again, if your post disappeared, it's because somebody had already picked it. Check those frequently because maybe need some clarification because some of you guys said something like dehydration. Well, again, dehydration is kind of too vague. Maybe talk about a condition, a specific condition that dehydration may cause. All right. I had to bring my glasses. I'm kind of winging this, but I did see for today's lesson you have some problems that you have to do. So I want to show you how to do this. I don't want you to get nervous. You've done stuff like this before. The conversions, right? It's something you know how to do. So let me open up here to page 422. Acevedo, don't make fun of my larger than my face glasses. So we're talking about pressure units. So they got you converting from one pressure unit to the next. So on page, I thought it was 422. Huh. 420. All right, on page 4, well, that's the practice problems are 422. But anyways, you'll see a table in the book here. This is the teacher's edition with the answers, so don't look too closely. All right. They have conversions here. So let me just do one. I'm going to make a problem up right now and kind of walk you through it. Let's just say we want to know how many millimeters of mercury are in, let's see, we have this weight, bar as Pascal. So they'll probably have you convert to Pascals. All right. So we say how many millimeters of mercury are in 500 Pascals. Right? How many millimeters of mercury are in 500 pascals? What are we starting with? 500 pascals. That's what we know, right? So we write down 500 pascals. PA stands for that, right? 500. That's what we're starting with. So we go here. We draw our fraction line. What goes down here? Right. Pascals. And we're looking for what? Millimeters of mercury. So now you have to look in the table. And it tells you right here, it says 1 millimeter of mercury. How many milliliters of mercury? 1. 1 millimeter of mercury. 1 millimeter of mercury equals 133.322 pascals. You see it right there in the table. 1 millimeter of mercury equals 133.22 pascals. So you put 133.322. That's a 2. Don't make fun of me. All right, that's a 2. So 133.2. So now you do the math. So this ends up being, so this cross cancels out, right? Pascals. So you have 500 mmHg over 133 equals, so you have to just do the math. 500 divided by 33. That's what you're going to do. If they ask for kilopascals, you just multiply your answer by 1,000 because a kilopascal kPa equals 1,000 PA. Remember that from the metric system when we did earlier in the year? So it asks for kilo, just multiply it by 1,000. Try your best on that. I will probably guess on Friday or whatever. I'll work the problems to make sure you got them. Check the answers on that. So that'll be that. Hopefully you remember that. It's nothing different than what you've already been doing. All right. So let me take those goofy things off. Hopefully the glare wasn't too bad on that and you can still see that. Let me move over. I think that's okay. All right. All right. So it's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday. I'm going to be featuring period 2. Again, please look at that list that I put on there, some students I haven't been able to make contact with in the past week or so since before break. If you know them, please have them direct message me. If you're in contact with them and they can't direct message me, please direct message me and let me know that they're having difficulties, just so I know. I don't have to put your name on the list for the school. The school's looking for a list of students who are not engaged in the assignments, and then they're gonna, have to reach out to your home and figure out all kinds of. We don't have to go through all that stuff, right? So that's that. Stay safe. Stay encouraged. Miss you. Peace.